Hi, it's Ken Haedrich, Dean of the Pie Academy, and you may remember that a couple of weeks ago I showed you how to make little mason jar lid pies with leftover fruit filling. I got lots of great feedback after that video aired, so this week I'm going to show you how you can adapt the same strategy to a favorite savory summer pie, tomato pie. Now, if you haven't watched that first video yet, you really should. I'll put the link below. But in a nutshell, all we did was take our dough scraps, or cut out little circles of dough. We rolled it out about 5.5 or 6 inches wide, and then we lined 3.5-inch mason jar lids with the circles. You don't need the other part of the lid because these pies will sit directly on your baking sheet. Refrigerate the shells, and while they're chilling, get out some yellow cornmeal. Grate a couple of tablespoons Parmesan cheese for each little pie that you're going to make. Now slice your tomato. You'll need 2 1/4-inch thick slices of tomato per pie, as close as possible to 3 inches in diameter. Mince a clove or 2 of garlic with some fresh basil and get out a little bit of heavy cream. Now sprinkle half a teaspoon of cornmeal and a tablespoon of Parmesan in each shell. Add a slice of tomato, sprinkle on another half teaspoon cornmeal, and then add another slice of tomato. And then hit each one up with some salt and pepper and douse with a tablespoon of heavy cream. Finally, top with some of the minced basil and garlic and another tablespoon of Parmesan. Bake these little pies in a preheated 400-degree oven on the middle rack for about 40 minutes until they're bubbly and absolutely gorgeous. And that's all there is to it. I hope you'll try this because these are really sensational. Let me know. Send me your photos, and if you're not already a member of the Pie Academy, please go sign up so you never miss a new video. Take care.